My specific mission down here is to patrol the Rio Grande River. We patrol it to make sure no one's crossing illegally, no one's transporting drugs illegally, and just ensuring the safe crossings between the border. It is a large river. There is a lot of space, a lot of turns and bends that we can't see around, a lot of angles. But we do our best to patrol all of it and keep it all under observation so no one can cross without notice. The most valuable thing that we provide with our boats is deterring any possible crossing. The biggest thing that we're really doing here is stopping people from crossing, and in my mind that prevents people from getting hurt, either on our side or the illegal, potential illegal immigrant that's coming across. I don't like to see people getting hurt. I don't like to see people getting exploited or taken advantage of. And so I think that's the best thing about what I do, and that's why I enjoy doing it.